In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export data to Excel from Wrike. We'll walk through this process step by step, so you can quickly get your Wrike data into a spreadsheet for reporting, analysis, or sharing with your team. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect when the export happens. First, start by opening your Wrike Workspace in your browser and navigate to your campaign management area. This is usually a folder or space where your campaign-related tasks and projects are organized. Make sure you're in the correct account and workspace where your campaigns live. Once Wrike has loaded, look for the section or folder labeled Campaign Management. This might be in the left-hand navigation panel, under your spaces, folders, or projects. Go ahead and click on Campaign Management to open it. You should now see a list or table of items related to your campaigns, such as tasks, projects, or subfolders. Now that you're in campaign management, you want to make sure you're viewing the data in a table format because that's what Wrike will export to Excel. At the top of the workspace, look for the View options. These are usually tabs or icons that let you switch between different views like List, Board, Gantt chart, or Table. Click on the option that switches you into the table view. This is the first highlight in the interface that you'll need to use. When the table view is active, you'll see your campaigns laid out in rows and columns similar to a spreadsheet. Take a quick moment to confirm that the columns visible are the ones you care about, such as task name, status, assignee, due date, and any custom fields. The export will generally reflect what's displayed in this table. Next, look towards the top right corner of the table view. You'll find a menu or icon, often represented by 3 dots or a small drop-down arrow. This is the second highlight you'll be clicking. Open that menu to reveal more options related to the table. In that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Export this table to Excel. Click on this option. Wrike will then prepare your data and start generating an Excel file. Depending on how much data you have, this might take a few seconds. Once the file is ready, it will either download automatically to your computer or prompt you to choose a download location. After it's saved, you can open it in Excel and continue working with your campaign data there.